It's time to go down the deep, dark rabbit hole into Watership Down. Let's get into this. So you said that you love the opening scene, right? So you have this kind of Genesis-like creation myth that's told with the rabbits.
Yeah.
And
See,
like, how would you describe that?
They're multiplying too much and consuming a lot. But
Consumption, there you go.
But they're not, the prince of them isn't caring that like his people are growing and in consuming the land. So that he's becoming like not a parasite, but an infestation. So
yeah, he's like, yeah, my people are the strongest. I don't care.
Yeah.
So the story that they've created for themselves that explains their giftings, why everything hates them, the whole creation story. That's their way of making sense of the world, right?
Right,
From Prey's perspective, why do these animals hate us? Well, there must have been some prince that pissed off the creator, and then these animals are created for that. And the gifts that they're talking about, digger, listener, swift runner, prince of a quick warning, be always full of tricks and cunning, and your people will never be destroyed.
Yeah.
Like, that's the whole driving force of the movie. And at the end, because of those things that they use, they make it to the promised land, and they not only survive, but they thrive at the end.
And they get the does.
They get the does.
So there's like, it shows how the myth and how heaven and earth, how myth and reality like blend, how they connect and how they touch.